leg. Grab onto my leg. See, I have good grip here. No. Okay, grab onto my leg. Okay. Hold on. Sunita. Hold on. Sunita.
Hurry up, Sunita. Get up there.
You are gonna come.
I'm gonna fall.
Sunita.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Here, grab one. Okay, right here I have good grip. Okay, now hold. Come up slowly.
I'm slippery.
Okay, just hold on to my shoe, and I'll pull you up. Really tight, really tight.
No.
Okay, hold on to my leg. Hold on to my leg.
Okay, Daddy, I want to get down.
No.
Hurry up, get up there. Then you can come down.
No. I want to get down.
I got you.
I want to.
Just hold on
Daddy,
to
can
my
I get
leg.
down?
You can stay there till Jay comes down.
No.
Then Sunita, come up.
I want to get down.
Why?
Here, I'm coming down.
Go with your brother. Hurry up.
Yeah,
I wanna
hold
get
on
down.
to me.
I want to get down, Daddy.
Or what?
Here. See,
Just let me get down.
grab onto my